Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the laptop down and removing external power. Make sure the battery is disconnected so no current flows. You must ground yourself with an ESD strap and wear gloves to avoid skin contact with gallium. Once done, expose the CPU/GPU area and use a plastic scraper to lift pooled liquid metal. Work slowly to avoid smearing. Make sure to keep removed parts separated. Contaminated screws or pads need labeling, so you don't reintroduce liquid metal later. You continue by saturating a swab with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and dabbing. Don't rub too hard. Let the solvent solubilize the residue. Once the bulk is gone, switch to a micro brush and brass or nylon brush to lift thin films from crevices. Brass avoids metal contamination and scratching. Make sure to clean the heatsink fins and any pads adjoining the die. Repeated solvent passes are normal. If connectors show silvering, isolate them and clean until surfaces look uniform and matte. You finish by ensuring both mating surfaces are completely dry. Use compressed air on low to remove solvent pools and let parts sit 10-15 minutes. Apply your chosen thermal interface. If avoiding electrical risk, use a non-conductive thermal paste, or if reapplying liquid metal, use a copper shim and apply sparingly. Once assembled, power on and monitor temps. If it won't boot, make sure to reseat connectors, then inspect for stray liquid metal, and clean again with IPA before further testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.